Hi, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see some of the most common sentences that would be used in classroom. Good morning, children. Good morning, children. Good morning, class. Good morning, class. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? How are you all? How are you today? How are you today? Please be seated. Please be seated. Take your seats. Take your seats. Did you complete your homework? Did you complete your homework? Let's start our lesson. Let's start our lesson. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. Did everyone bring your drawing books? Did everyone bring your drawing books? Stop chit-chatting. Stop chit-chatting. Is everyone ready? Is everyone ready? Don't create a mess in the classroom. Don't create a mess in the classroom. Wash your hands before lunch. Wash your hands before lunch. What did you learn today? What did you learn today? Let's learn the poem. Let's learn the poem. Take out your English textbook. Take out your English textbook. Be kind to each other. Be kind to each other. Who can tell the answer? Who can tell the answer? Don't play with the chalk piece. Don't play with the chalk piece. Don't shout in the classroom. Don't shout in the classroom. Stop daydreaming and pay attention. Stop daydreaming and pay attention. Collect your homework books from the office room. Collect your homework books from the office room. All of you study silently. All of you study silently. I hope you all had a great weekend. I hope you all had a great weekend. We are meeting first time, so let me introduce first. We are meeting first time, so let me introduce first. Don't go out of the class without my permission. Don't go out of the class without my permission. Stop leaving your books everywhere. Stop leaving your books everywhere. I'm your new English teacher. I'm your new English teacher. Now, my dear students, let me know about you. Now, my dear students, let me know about you. Introduce yourself one by one. Introduce yourself one by one. Keep your classroom clean. Keep your classroom clean. Settle down now so we can start the class. Settle down now so we can start the class. Stop throwing trash on the floor. Stop throwing trash on the floor. Keep your surroundings clean. Keep your surroundings clean. Let me take the attendance. Let me take the attendance. Don't ignore classmates. Don't ignore classmates. Let's begin our class by recapping what we have learnt yesterday. Let's begin our class by recapping what we have learnt yesterday. Can anyone explain? Can anyone explain? That's right. Well done. That's right. Well done. Is everyone able to see the blackboard? Is everyone able to see the blackboard? Now who will give me the example? Now who will give me the example? You should show your progress card to your parents. You should show your progress card to your parents. Who tore his book? Who tore his book? Sita, what are you staring at? Sita, what are you staring at? All of you repeat after me. All of you repeat after me. Today we will continue our previous lesson. Today we will continue our previous lesson. Write this paragraph once in your notebook. Write this paragraph once in your notebook. Sharpen your pencils near the dustbin. Sharpen your pencils near the dustbin. Did everyone get your progress cards signed by your parents? Did everyone get your progress cards signed by your parents? There is no homework for tomorrow. There is no homework for tomorrow. Did everyone prepare well for the test? Did everyone prepare well for the test? Hold your book in your hand and start reading. Hold your book in your hand and start reading. Everyone underline the important words with a pencil. Everyone underline the important words with a pencil. No one should copy in your test. No one should copy in your test. Read this paragraph one after the other. Read this paragraph one after the other. Please don't interrupt when your friend is reading. Please don't interrupt when your friend is reading. Use the duster to erase the blackboard. Use the duster to erase the blackboard. Are you eating chocolate? Are you eating chocolate? Don't you know that it is not allowed in the classroom? Don't you know that it is not allowed in the classroom? Go and spit it out. Go and spit it out. Don't let it happen again. Don't let it happen again. All of you stand up and wish your new teacher. All of you stand up and wish your new teacher. Note down the homework for tomorrow. Note down the homework for tomorrow. Please don't forget your manners. Please don't forget your manners. No one should misbehave. No one should misbehave. Don't scribble on the wall. Don't scribble on the wall. Remember to be good in the classroom. Remember to be good in the classroom. Have you all understood? Have you all understood? Don't tear the pages of your notebook. Don't tear the pages of your notebook. Tell me, what did you understand from today's lesson? Tell me, what did you understand from today's lesson? Can you speak louder? I am unable to hear you. Can you speak louder? I am unable to hear you. Those who have not completed the homework, stand up. Those who have not completed the homework, stand up. Today, your task is to learn 10 new words and their meanings. Today, your task is to learn 10 new words and their meanings. Don't play with your books. Don't play with your books. Don't make any spelling mistakes while copying from the blackboard. Don't make any spelling mistakes while copying from the blackboard. Copy the answer from the blackboard carefully. Copy the answer from the blackboard carefully. You need to study for long hours from today. You need to study for long hours from today. One by one, bring your notebook for correction. One by one, bring your notebook for correction. All of you start writing. Who gave you this much money? Who gave you this much money? Why did you bring cell phone to the class? Why did you bring cell phone to the class? We have a lot of syllabus left to complete. We have a lot of syllabus left to complete. We need to complete this syllabus by Saturday. We need to complete this syllabus by Saturday. All of you maintain pin drop silence. All of you maintain pin drop silence. You need to follow my instructions. You need to follow my instructions. The bell is ringing. The bell is ringing. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Be careful. Be careful.